cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Removing and reinstalling the stoppers is easier if you partially close the glove box. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1120 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the stoppers. Close the glove box.